Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Soccer Tales. Very good morning and happy Eid to all of you. So the news I'm going to share with you today is about East Bengal. So East Bengal is all set to offer Changte and Roy Krishna. The stock is in very initial stage. We hope that they will go further as well. But for me, if East Bengal is looking for a striker, then Roy Krishna is much more effective than Valskis. Valskis is as good as Roy Krishna, but Roy Krishna have the ability to sprint well, which Valskis is lacking, because Valsky's speed is very slow, which affects his game as well. The playing style of the two players are very different. But still, for me, if Valskis is 8 out of 10, Roy Krishna is 9 out of 10. So there is the statistics which I would like to share with you people. Roy Krishna scored 15 goals, Valsky scored 15 goals. Assist, Roy Krishna have done 6 and Valskis have done 6. And the main thing, Roy Krishna considered 1 yellow card, whereas Valskis considered of 3 yellow card. So it's very tough call for a team, but both of them are of great quality player, no doubt in that. So the next team I'm going to talk about is Hyderabad FC. Hyderabad FC's performance last year was very bad, and not really bad. That's the worst performance I've ever seen by any team in ISL. So Hyderabad is looking for a future prospect. They have signed Akash, Rohit, and Zongte from Indian Arrows. They are the new talents, and Hyderabad is in all mood to form their team in a new way, so that they can do good in this season. And buying young players like them shows that Hyderabad FC is looking for a long run. So buying young players is really good, but you need to see that they should get playing time as well, because if a young talents go and sit in a ISL team, that doesn't make any sense for me. So Northeast United is very busy in buying players. They have already bought Pony Vass, who is from Churchill Brothers last year, and he is all set to move to Northeast United FC. And there is a news that Marcos de la Espada is going to sign for Northeast United FC. So if they sign for you, Northeast United fan, rip, and rip. Hey guys, I have a news about the Jamshedpur FC fans as well, that Jamshedpur FC is all set to sign Gregorio Manzona, who is a Spanish coach, and his age is around 62 to 63 right now, and he have a very good profile, and he also managed Atletico Madrid as well in past. So if he joins Jamshedpur FC, that would be a good inclusion.
So guys, I was all set to edit the video. I was just sitting to edit the video, and I got the news that East Bengal is looking to retain Johnny Acosta and Victor Perez as well. So there is a news about it. If East Bengal really retain Johnny Acosta and Victor Perez is a very good player. As a central midfielder, he can do very good. He knows how to keep good cross in the box. I liked his playing style, but if it's Johnny Acosta, there is a problem. Now ISL is such a game where the game speed is very high, and it's not a I-League. So the best players in India are right now playing in ISL. So for me, I have a player aged of 38 or 39 will not be that effective. So if I heard anyone's sentiment of East Bengal fan, try to understand one thing. A player whose age is 39 is not capable of playing in ISL. Maybe Johnny Agosta is a very high standard player, but that doesn't make any sense, because a 39 years old guy is always a slow guy. And let me remind you, your to be very frank, your opponent player, if you are unable to sign Roy Krishna will be your opponent. And player like Roy Krishna, David Williams are very fast, and Johnny Agosta is as slow as that. So I need to remind you that retaining Johnny Agosta won't be a good choice for East Bengal.
Hey guys, so for today it's all about this news, and I don't have anything more to share with you people. So I have a Facebook and an Instagram page as well, where you can go and follow me. The link will be given on the description box, so please go and like my page and follow me on Instagram. And to be very honest, I am getting a good response from your side as well. Thank you for being so much supportive with me. I will share news which are very authentic and which don't mislead you people as well. So please stay with us. Thank you. Bye.